Welcome this afternoon to this webinar, Heat Treat Tomorrow. I'm your host, Doug Glenn, publisher of Heat Treat Today. And this webinar is being presented by our friends at Eurotherm, a forward-looking company and a leader in the global heat treat market with experience in machine automation, data management, industrial Internet of Things, Industry 4.0, power control, and innovative solutions for pretty near any heat treating application you can find. Okay, let's pick up on this one because it has to do a little bit with what we've been talking about, a little bit of artificial intelligence and that type of thing. So the question is, I believe, from Michael F. And the question is, do you think connectivity and AI will become mainstream in the heat treat industry and customers will overcome the increased IT security concerns, ITAR, and other data recipient concerns? So really what we're talking about here is some security things, which I think is, so let's go. Dan, you fire away, and remember, let's keep it short and to the point so we can get a couple other questions. Go ahead, shoot away.
Yes.
Very good. I like that answer. Who's good? Janus, what do you think? No, Dan,
Absolutely.
I think you probably want to say more.
Absolutely. We are going this the way. We will overcome cybersecurity. It's just a time, but we will overcome. And this no option but the future. So
Good.
We will not escape.
Good. Dan, did you want to say anything more than yes? I didn't mean to cut you off. No, that was an adequate answer. Very good. Peter, go ahead.
Yeah, and I think what's not seen is a lot of the suppliers to the industry are already working on this. I mean, we spent a phenomenal amount of time in R&D over the past 2 years, actually updating some of the older instruments to be more cyber secure. So you've actually got cyber secure algorithms now running in instrumentation that's being used in heat treatment. So yeah, we'll get over this. There has to be some level of control of the data flow, etc. But that's going to be coped with.
Okay, great. Dan, yes.
Last comment, if anyone wants to hack a heat treat furnace, go right ahead.
Yeah, right.